Alright, today's ride, not gonna lie, it's a straight, boring road to my mate Ryan's place. No twisties, no breathtaking landscapes, just me, the road, and a solid plan. Ryan's got a new MacBook and wants to start a YouTube channel, Webby's Adventures, so I'm heading over to teach him how to edit. Turns out Ryan is a freakishly fast learner. I showed him the basics, and before I knew it, he was cutting footage like a pro. So, with time to spare, Ryan hits me with a curveball. Hey, let's check out your bike lowering kit. And just like that, my quiet little tutorial session turns into a full-blown garage project on a 38-degree day.
So it says to remove the plastic trim.
So here's the deal. This lowering kit was my birthday present. I've been meaning to install it, but I had two problems. One, no motorcycle lift, and two, I don't know how to weld. Ryan's not a professional either, but he's damn good and knows his way around a welder. So, we got to work. Ryan and I tackled the instructions together. I read and relayed the steps while he did the hands-on work, and I fetched whatever tools he needed. But man, I felt bad as hell for not being more helpful. My anxiety was through the roof. I wanted to contribute, but my lack of skills made me feel useless. Thankfully, Ryan's patience and genuinely kind nature made all the difference. He never made me feel dumb, and I did what I could to support the process.
I'm not touching it. You do it. I'm too much of a pussy for this.
Honestly, watching someone who knows what they're doing is kind of amazing. Ryan made this look easy, and I learned heaps just by being there. Would I have been able to do this solo? No way. But with help, it all came together.
You go for too much because it's only a cap, alright? Put him on, make sure he's on properly. Remember, got to have a level, righto, and you're in reverse, now punch it. That's it, done. Bit more.
Good man.
There you go.
Thanks, mate.
How easy was that? Righto, so now we've got to make sure we get the spring washer and the washer, and we sit them up how we found them.
Thanks, mate.
Good man.
Panny is back on, everything tightened up, and I'm good to go. A project I've been putting off is finally done, and that feels awesome. Alright, moment of truth. How's it feel? Well, turns out it's a little smoother, a little more stable. But the biggest difference? I feel way more secure when coming to a stop and reversing. As someone on the shorter side, this lowering kit is definitely a game changer for confidence and control. And back on the road. The ride home, just as uneventful as the ride there. But now, my bike sits lower, which means better handling, more stability, and I can actually flat-foot it at stops. A huge relief. And shout out to Ryan for his skills. I definitely owe him big time. You know, sometimes you just have to ask for help. I was putting this job off because I didn't think I could do it alone. And I was right, I couldn't do it alone. But with a friend who had the right skills, it got done. Turns out I learned something in the process. Moral of the story, find a friend who knows their stuff, and don't be afraid to admit when you need help. There's no shame in learning. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And go check out Ryan's channel, Webby's Adventures, because I have a feeling he's going to do some pretty cool things. See you in the next one.